Hello. In this 1.20.1 Minecraft modpack development video, we're going to be looking into how to make custom mystical agriculture recipes, uh, specifically with the infusion altar, the enchanter, soul extraction, and soulium spawner recipe types. If you find this sort of content informative, please give this video a like, comment with any questions or future video ideas, and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on future uploads. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. They are a fantastic Minecraft server host, but you can also use it for many other games as well. Um, they offer server hosting for uh, many mod packs pre-install automatically, so any relevant mod pack that you can think of is probably there. In addition, they offer 24/7, 365 customer support. They're powered by the latest hardware that you can pick from many locations around the world for good latency, and they also offer advanced DDoS protection. So if you find this interesting, please check out my affiliate link below. That will bring you to the website that I got the screenshot from. There's plenty of great information there that can help inform possible purchase that aligns with your needs and budget. So again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. But now let's get started. First, we're going to do a custom infusion alter recipe. So as all recipes, we need to do the server events.recipes event listener, pass in the event callback, and we will be using the event.custom function. So again, how event.custom works is you have to pass in a JSON object. First, we're going to define the type. That is going to be mystical agriculture infusion. The second object here is going to be the input. So inputs are always an item. So here we're going to do Minecraft dirt. All these recipes aren't going to make sense, but they're just for explanation. Next, we need to pass in the ingredients, and that is an array of items. So the input is this item that's put in the center, and then you need exactly 8 ingredients for each pedestal. So we can just do the first. We'll do Minecraft stone. Then we will do Minecraft cobblestone. No, we're separating them with commas. Standard JSON. We'll do iron ingot next. Then we will do a gold ingot. Then we will do a diamond. Then we will do an emerald. Then we will do, let's do lapis next. And then finally, we will do a redstone. So after we're done, we need to put one more object here, and that is going to be the result. So what crafts? Again, this is going to be an item. Here, let's make it a totem of undying. So that's our first example here. Here you can see a screenshot of the result. Note we have the dirt in the center. We start off with stone, then we go around. So if you want to make it look in a particular order, it starts off here, then it goes clockwise, and then you have your output of the totem of undying. So that's our first example. Next, let's move on to the enchanter. So again, this is the same thing. We need to start with server events.recipes, pass in our handler, then we're going to do event.custom, pass in our JSON object, and let's get started writing it. So first, as always, we need to put our type. So mystical agriculture enchanter. Next, we need to pass in our ingredients. That's going to be an array of 2 things. So usually in the mod you'll have experience essence, but I'm going to put something different just for show. So the first ingredient, you need to specify an item first. So let's do dirt. And then you specify a count. So let's do 16. And then you separate it out. Again, item, let's do cobblestone. And then our count, let's do 32. So that's our ingredients, and then finally we need to show our output. So enchantment, let's make it Minecraft protection. So we have our enchanter example here. So I have 2 screenshots here. So this is what it looks like in game for protection 1. Same thing, 1632, 1632 gets you protection 1. And then protection 2, it multiplies, as the enchanter does for higher level enchantments. So that is our enchanter example. Next, let's move on to our soul extraction. So the soul extraction is pretty simple. We have our server events.recipes already defined. And now we can do event.custom, pass in our JSON, and let's build it. So our type is going to be specifically mystical agriculture soul extraction. That's as always, that's case sensitive. Next, we need to put our input, and it's going to be an item always. So let's do Minecraft dirt. And then finally our output. So our output takes 2 things. First is the type. So this is a mystical agriculture thing. It's not a Minecraft thing. So putting Minecraft pig, for example, is not going to work. We have to put mystical agriculture pig. And then again, assuming you're familiar with this mod, the amount of souls, that's the second parameter, is going to be 0.2. So 1 dirt is going to give you 0.2 souls out of 8 that you need. So let's take a look in game. As you can see here, 1 dirt gives you 0.2 out of 8 for the pig. So that's our soul extraction example. And then finally, let us do our soulium spawner example. So again, we have our server events.recipes. Let's do our event.custom, pass in our JSON, and now we can build it. First is the type, which is mystical agriculture soulium spawner. Next is the input. So we need an item, so Minecraft dirt, and then we can specify a count, so 12 in this case. So 12 dirt is required for each spawn, and then we can do the final thing are the entities. So notice this is plural, and this is a pretty cool feature. You can usually in the mod there's only 1 output per item, but here we can specify multiple. So 12 dirt we're gonna give 3 possible outcomes. So again, this is gonna be a array of JSON objects here. So each object needs an entity. So let's do a pig first, and then we next need to specify a weight. Obviously, if there's only 1 mob, this doesn't really matter. You can just make it 1. But here we're gonna make the weight 2. We're gonna do another one for chicken, again, assuming you know how weights work, this has a weight of 3, so this is going to be more common than the pig. And then finally, an entity of a cow. And this is going to have a weight of 1, so this is going to be the least common. So this is our example here. Let's take a look at the possible outcomes. So as you can see, a 50% chance of a chicken, because that's the highest here. 3 out of 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals 6. A cow has 1/3 chance because it's 1/6 chance, 1 out of 6. And then a pig has 33% chance because it's 2 out of 6, 1/3. So that was our example for the soulium spawner. I hope this video was informative. If you found it so, please give it a like, comment with any questions or future video ideas, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on to make sure you never miss a future upload. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. Otherwise, thank you for your time, and have a great day.